This is my CSR report about IKEA. First, I will start with the content. What is CSR? The company analyze interrelationships and the conclusion and recommendations. So first, what is CSR? These days, operating for profit only are gone. It's still important, but many companies now focus largely on corporate social responsibility, and I will call it CSR. CSR is when a company operates in an ethical and sustainable way that deals with the environmental and social impact. This means a careful consideration of human rights, the community environment, and society in which it operates. In 2015, a Communication Global CSR study found that 91% of global consumers expect business to operate responsibly to address social environmental issues. Furthermore, 84% say they seek out responsible product whenever possible. It is as the statistics shows that consumers are increasingly aware of the importance of social responsibility and actively seek products from business that operate ethically. Therefore, it makes good business sense to operate sustainability. Then we come to the company IKEA. In 1943, a 17-year-old Conrad received a scholarship from his father as a graduation gift. Conrad used the money to apply for a job. 5 years later, Conrad started his own brand business. Since then, the first chair was sold. IKEA has become world-famous furniture brand with 300 turn stores in 38 countries. There are a variety of furniture that both beautiful and practical. Plus, the price is reasonable. It become a lot of young people's choice. IKEA, the home improvements and furniture chain, started to research CSR report under the title People and Planet Positive starting from 2012. IKEA CSR effort on activities companies supporting local communities, education, and empowering workers and addressing the issue of gender equality. Moreover, the global furniture retailer works to reduce its energy consumption and okay, so all risks have relevant business area head to lead risk reduction effort and provide regular feedback on development throughout the year. So that's its advantage. It got 3 lines of defense. They control its product line. Also, it got a great value. And come to sustainability. In August 2018, 60% of IKEA were made from renewable material and 10% of them are made from recycled material. Of this, 100% of cotton used in IKEA product come from more sustainable growing environment, using less fertilizer, water, and in the growing process, and make sure that farmers' income increase. The savings can use to invest in water-saving drip irrigation or children's education. And in 2018, IKEA proposed that all materials used should be fully renewable or recyclable by 2030. Okay, then we come to the ethic. IKEA's vision is to create a better everyday life for many people. As the foundation, the value guide everything they do. IKEA's employees strive to be honest, respectful, and fair, and expect this of their co-worker. This is an important part of IKEA's recruitment process. Bribery and corruption are not tolerated. It prevents an enterprise from doing good business and also damage the reputation with co-workers, supplier, customer, and other stakeholder. And lastly, data privacy is one of the priority which every business should be aware of. And gender equality is about creating an inclusive culture where both women and men are valued for their unique contribution. Main problem IKEA faces. First, very importantly, they got a negative publicity because of the tax avoidance and the fascist. The tax avoidance is that in 2004, Kamprad family has known profit for more than 550 million euro, but only paid 19 million euro in taxes, far below the ordinary income in Sweden. And about the fascist is only targeting Kamprad himself. Um, Nowadays, most consumers they don't really care about. But back in the time, it was really harming their reputation. And lastly, low quality of product and service. IKEA can't find a compromise between consistently cutting costs and maintaining same product quality. The reduction of enterprise costs lead to a decline of product quality, followed by more product. Uh, Overall, IKEA is a well-performed company. It got a well interrelationship between the governance, risk, ethic, and sustainability. In its risk management, IKEA is responsible for product design and product distribution, also the part making, and that helps the company to keep its sustainability strategy. For example, all materials should use fully renewable or recyclable. And ethically, the company made a great step in social responsible. It provides cheap product for people. Its environment and it's environmental friendly. They also make sure that everybody can be a part of saving the planet. And finally, my conclusion and recommendation about the IKEA. In the future, increase in competition, a number of low-cost retailers, including Walmart, Tesco, are moving into IKEA's home good franchise. These large retailers have similar characteristics to IKEA, including low cost, well management supply chain, and large market share. And it can easily gain some market share from IKEA. Also, due to average consumer income growth means that people to buy less low price and low quality product. This is what IKEA offers. With the increase of income, people will reduce the attractiveness of IKEA retailer, and that provide higher quality of household product will become more attractive. I advise that IKEA should maintain its design style but providing higher quality of product, even if it means increase in price, because awkward situation for IKEA now is that it's only targeting the middle class of consumer, the young people especially. The price is too high for poor, and the high class despise the quality. And that's my presentation. Thank you.